This is gonna be a day. All right, good morning everybody. Don't know how I want to start this video, but excuse me. Today's video is supposed to be geared towards like me getting my stuff together, and it's supposed to be just like me I guess decluttering and organizing my closet, and it was supposed to be for me to do today, like as I'm talking to you today, but plans kind of changed, and it'll happen it'll happen maybe later on today or maybe tomorrow, but yeah, I let my closet get out of hand for a while now, and I just been watching it get from bad to worse. I don't even like organize anything. I throw things all over the place, and now it's just to the point where I can't find anything. So I just figured I need to do something about it before I just let it get as like worse and worse, if that makes sense. So eventually I'm gonna get to decluttering my closet. Just hang in there with me. I'll get it done. Okay, I'm gonna get myself together, and then I'm gonna make a run to Walmart for some snacks, because what's a day without snacks, you know? Yeah. Oh, I found them. That's what we came for. Stupid.
You don't know when these gonna come back, so you gotta get them now.
You gotta get two. We literally came for snacks, and then we got a whole. And then he got this stupid cart with the child thing in here. We ain't got no kids.
Supposed to get 2 things.
2 things, and this what you came for?
Yeah, I'm my mother's child.
What's happening? You know people that they season their food in the sink? You ever seen people do that?
Yeah. I can't do that.
I don't like it.
I don't care how clean my sink is. I ain't doing it. I mean, I wash my silverware in the sink though.
No, yeah, but that's about it. I'm not Forgot about you, honey.
Must have that.
So a snack kind of turned into this. A little more than a snack, but hey, at least he'll be full. That's just so unhealthy, but it's so good. Got a little bit more fries cooking. All right, let's get it together. Like, I really gotta get this together. I'm trying to figure out the easiest way to do this, but I think I'm just gonna have to like take everything out and then go. So I'm gonna get rid of some stuff. And when I say get rid of them, I'm just gonna like donate the clothes that I can't fit anymore, get everything back organized, and try my best to keep it organized. I don't want to do this. Okay, so we are making progress. I'm just trying to show you guys that I actually cleaned out every single thing in this closet. It is absolutely empty. I took out everything, floor is clear. And I added this organizer in here. So it could possibly help with a little bit more space. I have no idea what I want to do next. I've been sitting on the floor for the last like 15 minutes trying to figure out if I want to keep going, but I have no choice, because if you turn around and see the mess I made, yeah, I gotta finish. Things in this corner are the things I'm going to donate after I wash them. Yeah, and then this is everything else that I'm still sorting through. So yeah. Okay, well, let's keep going. All right, to be honest, this is why I don't like too much mess, because to clean it up is annoying. I'm already frustrated and I feel like I haven't gotten anywhere. This stupid stuff. This is so stupid. And my patience is like running very thin. And all of this is just making me mad at myself, because if I would have just kept my closet clean and not like let everything get out of control, I would not be in this big mess right now. And like 75% of me wants to just go sleep on a couch or like the floor and just not bother with it. But if I wake up tomorrow and I still have even half as much as this mess tomorrow to deal with, I'm gonna be so pissed and I'm not gonna do it. So I'm just gonna keep going. I need a snack break or something. Okay, I'm tired of this. I feel like every time I think I'm getting somewhere with this room, well, this closet, it's become my room now, because where everything is scattered, my room is a mess. I'm just frustrated. I don't want to do this no more. But I'm gonna just drink the rest of the smoothie and try to finish it. I'm tired. I'm out of breath. I'm breathing different. All right, let me just stop complaining. Just get it done. Okay, so quick update. I'm not done, and I'm not gonna finish because I'm frustrated, and I'm not doing this. I'm gonna go on Amazon. I'm gonna order some storage bins, and I'm gonna use Prime, so they should be here in like 2 days. So when you see me again, it's gonna be 2 days from now when I have like some storage units, because I'm not doing this. Like, I refuse. I refuse to do this. I'm tired. I'm gonna go sleep on the couch, and you guys will see me back in 2 days. Okay, this is real life. Okay guys, so it's officially like 3 days since the last part of the video, and the people just knocked on the door, so I'm gonna have to get up, assemble the bins and finish because my room looks like a disaster and it's been like this for 3 days. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, time to show you guys a finished product. It looks like so much less clothes, but everything is just organized, which I'm amazed at. So the storage bin came with these two. I added 6, I bought 6 other cubicles to come, the other 3 up here. I don't know, you guys, I just really kept all my like everyday go-to clothes out in the front. Everything else is in the bins or like stored away in other drawers. It looks a lot better than before because before it was such a disgrace, but I'm so happy about the outcome and I got it done. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I'm completely done with this closet. In my opinion, I took care of it, but I noticed I do have a lot of hangers available now, so that just means I have a lot more shopping to do. But I'm gonna make sure I keep my closet, I'm gonna attempt to keep my closet as neat as it is right now. So I hope that this video inspired you guys to keep your room and your closet up to par so that you don't have to deal with this headache that I had to go through. But yeah, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any one of my videos, and hit the notification bell, you know, as a bonus. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.